Alright, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our trainer will go over some useful webinar tactics, tips and best practices. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
If you want to host a successful webinar, you have to be sure that you're doing it correctly. Here are the best tips for hosting a well-planned webinar. Choose the right topic. To choose the right topic, you first need to think of the purpose. Is it to educate people? Generate new leads? Sell products? Or gain more following? Next, you'll need to find inspiration. Look at your current content, then compare it with the current concerns of your clients. This will help you analyze what your audience is the most interested in. Interact through promotion. Of course, for a webinar to be successful, you want to reach the most people possible. That's why it's only fair that you should have enough to promote and create engagement for potential attendees. You can promote by tweeting about the event, writing promotional blog posts, and create engagement across your social media channels. Another effective way of creating engagement is by offering something unique. This can be a giveaway or a special feature that lets you stand out among other competitors. Dedicate a special hashtag. Twitter is a powerful tool to promote webinars. Create a hashtag unique to your virtual event. Using a particular code ensures that all tweets using that hashtag are about your webinar. This is very helpful, especially when gathering questions for the Q&A portion. Use different media types in your presentation. As mentioned, webinars are usually 45 to 60 minutes long. When your presentation lacks energy from the beginning, don't expect people to last more than 10 minutes. To keep your audiences engaged, you need to have a variety of media types for your webinar. This can be a combination of graphics, whiteboards, share screens, video animations, and more. Choose the right format. There are a lot of options when building your webinar structure. The four most common types are panel discussions, single speaker presentations, and interviews. Choose the right format that suits best on your current topic and business plan. Pick a webinar tool. Choosing the right platform to host your webinars is vital for your webinar to be executed well. The most popular platforms right now are Demio, Livestorm, EverWebinar, and Webinar Jam. When researching what platform to use, you need to answer these questions. How many people are attending? How much is the budget? Is the interface user-friendly? Moreover, you want to make sure that the platform you'll be using contains the right features you need to execute your webinar successfully. For example, you want to have software that allows both live and automated webinars. Choose the right day and time. To select an optimum time and date for your webinar, you need to consider the location of your target audience. If your target is worldwide, then you need to find the optimum time and day of the week in any time zone. According to the On24, Wednesdays and Thursdays are the optimal days to host webinars, with 10 or 11 a.m. being the best time. Having webinars in these times provide flexibility to people in different parts of the world, as people are more likely to attend whatever time of the day it is in their location. However, if your audience is solely based in the US, then time zones should not be a concern. Instead, you can focus on times where people aren't busy. For example, early afternoon or after work hours are the perfect times for webinars. Set up an optimized landing page. The first step in any promotional strategy is by building an optimized landing page for your webinar. They are designed to create engagement and attract users to register immediately. An optimized landing page should contain a target keyword, a sign-up form, an optimized copy, and CTA buttons. Additionally, Landing pages should be integrated with your other marketing tools, as your goal is to turn registrants into potential prospects. When executed well, webinars are powerful tools to connect with your audience, establish your brand's authority, and generate more leads. What are you waiting for? Use webinars now to elevate your business to the next level.